here. Just gonna feel first right in there. Good. Is that okay on the
Yep.
shoulder?
Mhm.
Good. One more. Good. Perfect. All right, go ahead and face me on your side here. We're gonna take a look at that lower back.
Sure.
Bend the top leg. Right there. Just kind of fall. There it is. Perfect.
Yep.
Other side for me.
I needed that.
Oh yeah.